Hey guys, we're here again, further building. Thought I'd give you an update where we're up to. It's early Feb, so I've been on this for about 30 days, a month. We've done the trim and the fascia, and we've got all that window finished, or trimmed and finished up, so that's a drop down window. We've got the winder on here, the shower, and that's all fixed. We've got a winder on this window, which we're just repainting. All the trim's done on the side. We've got a window that has been replaced, a pane's been replaced, and some glass from there. And we've got a little bit of work going on here. And we've got our hangers for pot plants on the side there. Up here we've finished the fascia board, and I've got some nice trimming along there. They're all kind of trims and matches in. We've fitted door handle, so we've got a fully functioning opening and closing and lockable door inside. Getting there. We've put the loft in, so we've got a loft for a queen size bed, and we've put a mattress in. We've had a couple of nights in here. There's the nice window there, gives you heaps of ventilation. You can look out at the stars, and you can have your head there and even look out this nice highlight window. You get a really good view from in bed, which is lovely. Under here is where the shower's going to be. So this will be the shower here. Your standard 900 by 900 or thereabouts shower. There's your little window that you can open and close when you're in the shower. Ventilation and looking out, which is pretty nice. It's a bit, I'm a bit higher, but Hayley's a bit lower, so there'll be heaps of headroom. There's going to be a wall here with a cavity or a barn door, and the loo is going to be in here. Composting toilet. What have we got here? We've got a kitchen, a 2.5 metre kitchen running along here, right along there, finishing about here. We'll have some lights coming down from here, wrapping around the trusses and coming down, some nice pendant lights which will be sitting over the kitchen sink. Today we've fitted a winder, so we have a nice big window for ventilation and right at the kitchen sink. What else have we got? Oh, okay, so over here we're going to fit a stereo system and a whole lot of switches like our control panel. So this will have switches here. So what I'm doing now is wiring in the speakers. So we'll have a speaker up here. I'm just pre-wiring. You can see we're starting to fill it out with our insulation. So we're using earth wool insulation, which is recycled glass bottles, and it's called earth wool. It's something you can handle really easily. It doesn't give you prickles or anything. Then we've got another speaker cable going up here around there, and we'll have another speaker just right up in that corner there. So we'll have nice equal sound quality